Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to complete your Risevest KYC verification. Before you can fully use Risevest, you need to complete KYC. This is standard for every regulated financial app in Nigeria. So let's walk through it. Step 1. Create your account first. Download the app, sign up with your email and phone number, and set your password. KYC comes right after this. Step 2. Provide a valid means of identification. You will be required to complete a Know Your Customer KYC process, which include submitting a valid means of identification. This could be your NIN slip, driver license, voter's card, or international passport, depending on what Rivest accepts in your country. Step 3. Take a selfie for identity verification. The process also includes a selfie. This is to match your face against your submitted ID, a standard anti-fraud step for fintech use. Step 4. Submit your BVN. This is specific to Nigeria users. You will need to provide your bank verification number BVN. If you don't remember it, Livest on blog explain you can check your BVN by simply dialing the code 5650 hash using the phone number you used to register your BVN. Step 5. Submit and wait for verification. Once you have submitted your ID, selfie and BVN, the app processes your verification. Risevest works with a third-party verification partner, and industry data shows that they have achieved a 94% rate for KYC. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to complete your Risevest KYC verification. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.